Hello everyone. So this section here, I would like to share with you one of the stocks that we do pick up from Green Penguin Screener that currently actually is still holding well right at the support. So we're going to look into the setups that it have from this chart and of course the market stages as well because we want to trade uh, in the right location and avoid the downtrend. So by looking into this screener over here from this Pentagon screener, we do notice that on 6th of May, OVH do appeared in this Pentagon screener. And of course, in this 6th of May, we got total of 7 stocks. Okay, but not all the stocks that we need to select and trade because we want to find that and look for the stocks that are actually in the right location. So how to look for it is normally what I do is that I will focus in the green color first. So the green color code representing the stock is actually very close to support. I think Ibarco is actually very close to support, but unfortunately the volume is very low. So which means they're actually pretty illiquid. So OVH, yes, the LT might be slightly lower and it causes to turns to red color coded, but it's just a very small of -4%. Okay, so it's just a very small weakness in terms of the trend overall. So I think OBH kind of fit the criteria. Now let's going back to this chart over here. So what I normally do is that I will again check the overall long-term trend by looking into weekly. So weekly actually it just turns to green penguin last week. Okay, even though it haven't show a confirmation of reversal yet, but on the daily basis, because I believe that it will have a technical rebound. Okay, because the weekly just turns to bullish green pentagon signals. So looking into this daily chart over here, notice that there is actually it's a shakeout happening. Okay, there's like a big shakeout somewhere around here. Volume on the upbar is increasing with green pentagon, and it actually tends to red pentagon again, but it's a very quick and small one. And finally, turning back to green pentagon with increasing volume. So again, confirmation on weekly chart turns to green pentagon. Daily chart also turns to green pentagon. Now, the other things that we want to look into is the market stages. So again, like I say, I normally don't trades when red pentagon with the downtrend, okay, which is the market stage is weakening. Like for example, here you notice that the market stage is weakening, but this green pentagon is somewhat different because it comes with a strong background. Okay, even though here got a small rate, but no, but this is more like a pullback or reaccumulations for me. Okay, now of course everything comes with risk. If you want to look for the trade, make sure you got your own trading plan. Okay, for me, I will monitor the green pentagon areas because this is the area that showing sound strength, and I would like the price to support in this area over here. Okay, now this is just a quick updates for OVH. Just a quick disclaimer: there is no buy or sell call in this video. Okay, if let's say there's any changes in terms of the chart setups here, we will give an update soon. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like what we do, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click the like button on this video, and we will have other videos. Okay, moving forwards for you.